Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Galaxy Watch 4 with notifications that are not working. I'll be going over how to fix it, how to fix the problem in this easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to go over 5 things that you can try to do to hopefully fix the problem. The first thing that you can do is restart your watch. Really easy to do. From your main screen, swipe down, okay? You want to push that power button right there to turn off your watch, okay? Make sure you push the power button and then push turn off. And then what you can do is then you can actually turn it back on. Very simple and straightforward. Sometimes your Galaxy Watch 4 just needs to be restarted to work out any glitches, okay? The second thing that you can try to do is restart your phone. Sometimes it's your phone's issue. Your phone is causing the problem with the notifications not working. Your phone is not sending the notifications to your Galaxy Watch 4. So restart your phone. That might work. The third thing that you can try is make sure your phone is in an airplane mode. Now, for every phone, it's going to be different. But essentially, every phone is going to have an airplane mode where it sort of disables all opportunities to communicate. Basically, it will turn off, data and all that kind of stuff. You want to make sure it's not on. Sometimes people turn on the airplane mode by accident because it's an option, usually in your quick settings, okay, in your quick settings menu. So make sure your phone is not on airplane mode. If it is, turn that off because that will prevent the phone from communicating with your Galaxy Watch 4 and sending the notifications out. The fourth thing that you can do is open your Galaxy Wearables app, okay? So right here we have the Galaxy Wearable app. As you can see, we are in the Galaxy Watch 4, okay? And we're gonna go and look at the notification settings. This is the fourth thing that we're gonna do. Go to your watch settings, okay? And notifications is up there. So I'm going to tap notifications. Now you'll see here at the top, the first option we're looking at, show phone notifications on watch. Show alerts when phone not in use. You're going to tap that. Now you can see, you can choose to show alerts only when your phone is not in use or even when your phone is in use, okay? If you have it set to show alerts only when your phone is not in use and your phone is unlocked, it will not send the notifications to your watch. So if your phone is unlocked and you're not getting a notification to your watch, and this is set to this mode, that's your problem. Turn it to show alerts even when phone is in use. And then even when you're using your phone, notifications will be sent to your watch if you're wearing it, okay? So that's the fourth thing. You want to look at that setting. And the fifth thing is actually within this same menu right here is to check the individual app notifications, okay? So you can see right here I have these 2 options for apps, the Google Play Store and Gmail. So for Google Play Store, my notifications are off. For Gmail, my notifications are off. Okay? You want to look for individual apps and make sure they're turned on. Now, I don't want notifications for these on my watch at this moment, so I've turned them off. But you want to look for individual apps and make sure that they're turned on. And that's how you know that it should be sending notifications to your watch. Okay? That's basically it. If your notifications are not working, try that out. As an added bonus, what you can try to do is just give your watch a hard reset, which is easy to do. You just push and hold these 2 buttons down simultaneously for probably about 10 seconds, and it'll say rebooting on the bottom of the screen, okay? And yeah, that just basically like forces the watch to reboot, to restart, like to turn off and turn back on again, similar to how you would restart a computer or unplug a modem and plug it back in if it's malfunctioning. So that's it. Hopefully that gets your notifications working again. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.